We'll talk to you soon. Bye. Is that a message? Oh. Oh, he's looking. Oh. Bless you. You hear his little feet? Yeah. See, he's always sucking on his shirt. Alex does that too. Your Uncle Alex does that. No?
It's grumpy.
He doesn't look grumpy.
Oh, he is just.
Oh, look at his little face. Are you pooping?
Cute.
He looks like a little human. He does.
Shit, I wonder why he looks like a human.
He's got bumps on him. A little red bumps. Look at his body. You should have him check it out next time I come in and say, did you check out my son's body?